All right, let's take a look at this one. It looks like we're dealing with the area of a rectangle, and we're told the length is 4.6 inches, and we have to find the width. And we have to write an equation and solve an equation. So again, we have two things that we are required to do here. So pause and think about how you would solve this, read through it a couple of times, try to set up your equation, see what you get, and then hit play again, and let's see if we agree. So area of a rectangle, there's a formula for that. So that's where I would start. Area is length times width, okay? And then I know some of these values, so I would just substitute. The area is 62.1. So in place of A for area, I would actually write 62.1. And I know the length is 4.6. So in place of length, I would put 4.6 times W. Now that looks kind of funny. I mean, we could say that that's our equation, but you know, in algebra, we would write it just 4.6W. And if the W bothers you, you could say, let X equal the width of the rectangle. And so if that was the case, then you would say 4.6X. So either one of these is great. I would say either one of these could be where you've written your equation. And then to solve it, you would divide by 4.6, which is why I have a calculator here. Of course, you can do it without the calculator, but most of the time we're going to use the calculator at this point for this kind of calculation, because this problem is not testing, can you divide by a decimal? That's not what this is trying to figure out. All right, so we get X is 13.5. And so the width of the rectangle, the answer to this would be 13.5 inches. Be sure to label it, make sure that you make it clear that you understand what you found as your answer. So the width is 13.5 inches. All right, that's helpful.